If you want to eject SIM tray on POCO M8 5G, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, where we can find, of course, the SIM tray. Over here on the SIM tray you have this SIM tray hole, so naturally we need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. I have mine over here, and we need to put this eject tool into this SIM tray hole. So let's put it in. There we go, and then use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. Once that happens, we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And there we go, this is how it looks like. So as you can see over here, we have SIM card slot number 1, and on the reverse side we have a hybrid slot, so you can either use SIM card number 2 or you can use a micro SD card. So in my case, I'm just gonna use the first SIM, which I believe it should be like this. There we go. We need to match the shape. As you can see here, we have this cut part. This is also the front, which we can tell over here. And on the reverse side, we can use the second SIM card if we want to. And if you want to use the SIM card, then it should look, let me actually try to match it. It should look like this. So we need to like insert it on a side. So as you can see, the SD part should be visible when we insert the second SIM card. And there we go. Once we insert our SIM cards, we can put it back into the phone. So let's just slide it in and push it all the way down with your finger. Make sure that it goes all the way in and it doesn't stick out, because if it does, then of course you risk damaging your phone. You want to make sure that all cards are inserted properly. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.